My husband had an affair and now she's pregnant. What should I do? Dear betrayed heart, this is one of the most painful situations someone can face after betrayal. Infidelity alone shatters trust, but when a pregnancy is involved, it adds layers of complexity. Grief, anger, fear, and even questions about your own future security. If you're asking this question, know first, your feelings are valid. The devastation you feel is not an overreaction. When another child is part of the betrayal, there are two major realities at play. One, your emotional world, healing from the betrayal, deciding if the marriage can continue, and protecting your mental health. Two, the practical realities. If your partner takes responsibility, that child will be part of your story, whether or not you stay together. It's not fair, it's not what you chose, but it is now part of what must be navigated. Here are some steps to consider. First, pause before making permanent decisions. Right now, emotions are overwhelming. You do not have to decide today if you're staying or leaving. Second, set boundaries with your partner. Make it clear what you need to feel emotionally safe while you process. Third, seek support. Whether through therapy, trusted friends, or support groups, you'll need people who can hold you steady in this storm. Fourth, ask hard questions. Is your partner showing remorse? Are they willing to step up with honesty, consistency, and responsibility for both you and the child they've created? Fifth, protect your worth. Betrayal does not define you. You are not less because of someone else's actions. Dear betrayed heart, this is not a pain you ever deserved, but please remember, you do not have to carry this alone. Take one step at a time, seek the support you need, and know that whatever you choose, whether to stay and rebuild or to walk away, you are worthy of love, respect, and healing.